Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel The Baloch Scholar. So today I am starting exercise 2.5 of class 9th math, chapter number 2 logarithm. Okay, question number 1 is find the number of digits n. Okay, here I am supposed to, in this question I am supposed to find the number of digits of the following questions. Okay, so as you remember, I have taught you the laws of logarithm, the applications of logarithm, the properties of logarithm. So we will use all these in this exercise to solve these questions. Okay. See question number 1, that is 2 power 9. Okay. 2 over 9. So I'm supposed to find the number of digits, okay, in it by using the applications of logarithm, law of logarithm, whatever we have done in previous lectures and previous can say exercises. So we will apply these in here, okay. How we will do it? See, okay. Suppose number of digits I will use let x, okay. For number of digits here I will use x. Let x is equal to 2 power 9, okay, 2 power 9. Let x is equal to 2 power 9. Okay, now I will take log both side. Okay, taking log both sides. Okay, log x is equal to log 2 over power 9. Okay, 2 power 9. Okay, okay. Now see here, it is an exponential form, so I will use which formula? The third law of logarithm. The third law of logarithm, that is log base a m power n is equal to n log, okay, base a m. So means I will bring the exponent before log. See here, it's equal to, so my exponent is 9 log 2. So log x. So now come further. Now what I will do? Now I will find the characteristic in mantissa of these two. As you know, in the logarithmic table, digits starts with 10. Okay, okay, 10. Here we cannot use 2 only. We will use 20 instead of 2. We'll use 20 instead of 2. Okay. Okay, see this logarithmic table. 20 is there. So I will find it in 0 column. So 0 column it will be 3010. So I am finding its mantissa. I am finding its mantissa. So my mantissa is 3010. So mantissa of log 20 is 3010. So you know how to find its characteristic. So for finding the logarithmic value, I need to separate it into characteristic, the integral part, and mantissa, the decimal part. So characteristic formula is characteristic. What is the formula of characteristic? So formula of characteristic will be, okay, number of digits minus 1. Okay, number of digits minus 1. So number of digit is 1, that is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So my this will be 0.3010. Okay, 0.3010. This is my characteristic. This is my mantissa. So I find out the mantissa at first, then characteristic. You can also find out the characteristic at first, then mantissa. Okay. Okay, now see here, my characteristic and mantissa are find out. So now I will multiply my this value with this one. So my value will be 2.709. Log x is equal to 2.709. So this is my characteristic and this is my mantissa. So now I will find out the number of digits. So as you know, finding number of digits, I will use this formula. characteristic plus 1. Characteristic plus 1. What is my characteristic? It is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So log is 3. Okay, log x is equal to 3. One number of digits are 3 in this question. Okay, by multiplying these two values, I get 4.771. So this is my characteristic and this is my mantissa equal to x. Okay, log x. So now I am supposed to find the number of digits. Okay, number of digits. So I will apply the formula characteristic plus 1. So what is my characteristic? That is 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So number of digits in it 5. Okay. Okay, now come to another question, third question, that is 7 power 6. So solution. So I'm supposed to find out the number of digits in it. So for number of digits I will take let x is equal to 7 power 6. Further I will take log both sides. Okay, log x equal to log 7 power 6. Okay, this is taken. So now what will I do? Okay, now I will change it according to the third law of logarithm. I will bring the exponent before log. That will be 6 log 7. It will be likewise because I used the third law of logarithm, that is log base a m power n is equal to this is n log base a m. Okay, which is third law, so I use it likewise. So now I am supposed to find out the characteristic and mantissa of this logarithmic value. So for finding out the characteristic, I will use, you can say, number of digits minus 1. So this will be number of digit is 1. So minus 1 is equal to 0. So my characteristic is 0. So for finding out the mantissa, I need to take 7. But as you know, in logarithmic table that starts with 10 means 2 digits. So I will take 70 instead of 7, mean for extra 0 to take out its mantissa. So I will find out value of 70 and 0 column, that is 8451. So I will write 8451. So this will be 8451. This is my characteristic and this is my mantissa. So this will get multiplied by 6 is equal to log x. Okay, so this 6 will get multiplied with this one. Okay, by multiplying these both, so I will get 5.0706 equal to log x. So this is my characteristic and this is my mantissa. So in this step, now I will find out the number of digits. Okay, number of digits. So for finding out the number of digits, I will take the characteristic, that is 5. I will leave the mantissa. So my characteristic plus 1. 5 plus 1, that is 6. So my number of digits, you can say x is equal to 6. So number of digits and 7 power 6 is 6. Okay, come to the last question of part 1, that is 9 raised to power 33. Okay, 9 raised to power 33. So this is there. So for solution, first of all, I'll take x, let x is equal to 9 raised to power 33. Okay, further I'll take log, taking log both sides. Taking log both sides, so I take log x equal to log 9 raised to power 33. So as you are seeing this value, so the third law of logarithm will be applied, that is log base m power n. This will be n log base m. So mean I will shift the, let's say, this exponent before log. So this will be 33 log 9 is equal to log, this is log x. Okay. Now what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to find the mantissa, characteristic and mantissa of this log 9. As you know, this is a single digit. For finding out its characteristic, so I will minus 1 with the number of digits. Okay, what number of digits in it is 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So my characteristic is 0, so 0 point, so my characteristic is 0. So as you know, for finding out the mantissa in logarithmic table, so you can find two digits. Can say you cannot find 9 only, so you will use 90 instead of 9. So I will find out 90 in 0 column because there is no other number. Okay, 9542, the value is 9542 in 0 column. So this will be 9542, 0.9542. This is my characteristic and this is mantissa. So they will get multiplied with 33 is equal to log x. So when you multiply them, you get 31.4886 is equal to log x. So now what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to find the number of digits in it. Okay, as my characteristic and mantissa are clear both, this is a logarithmic value, so I'll find the number of digits is equal to characteristic plus 1. So what is my characteristic? That is 31. I will plus it with 1. 31 plus 1, that will be 32. So my number of digits will be, number of digits of 9 raised to power 33 is equal to 32. Okay, this is 32. Okay, let's come towards another question. Okay, 9 power 5. So I'm supposed to find the number of digits in it. So solution, in solution I will do, okay, we'll take x is my number of digit. Let x 9 power 5. Let x 9 power 5. So now I will take log, taking log both sides. Now I will take log both sides. Okay, log x is equal to log 9 power 5. So this question is related to the third law of logarithm, that is, okay, log base a m power n is equal to, this will be log, okay, n log base a m, and I will bring the exponent before log. So likewise, exponent 5 log 9, okay, is equal to x log, okay, log x. Now I'm supposed to find out the characteristic and mantissa of this 9. I'm supposed to find out the characteristic and mantissa of this 9. Okay, so how will I find out the characteristic? By applying the formula characteristic. Okay, minus 1, number of digits minus 1. Okay, number of digit is 1, minus 1 is 0. So my characteristic is 0.0. So now I will take the mantissa. take out the mantissa of 9. Okay, so as you know, the logarithmic table starts with 10, so I will take 90 and put extra 0. Okay, now I will take 90 instead of 9 to find out its mantissa. Okay, see here, 90 is present. I'll see the value of 90 in 0 column, that is 9542. So I will write 0.9542. So now it is my, can say, logarithmic value. This is characteristic and this is mantissa. Now I will multiply this with value 5. Okay, I will multiply this 5 with this one